Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you are not connected to any network fixed Wi-Fi. First method is enable Wi-Fi is by pressing the Fn key and one of the function keys F1 to F12 at the same time to toggle wireless on and off. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig/release. Type ipconfig/flush DNS. Type ipconfig/renew. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.